Hi friends, this is Mrs. Howard. I'm so excited to be here and doing math with you today. Today, we're going to think about equivalent fractions. I want you to get a piece of paper out, and I want you to think about 1/2. What fractions would be equivalent to 1/2? On a piece of paper, I want you to come up with all the fractions that you can that are the same as 1/2. And I want you to prove it by drawing me a picture of that fraction and showing me that it is the same as 1/2. Pause the video while you do this. Welcome back. I'm guessing that some of you drew 1/2 so that you could see and picture what that looks like. And then when I think about 1/2, I'm going to draw another circle. And I wonder if some of you partitioned your circle into fourths. What would be the same as 1/2 looking at my fourths? Well, if I just have 1/4, that's not equivalent to 1/2. But if I have 2/4, then yes, 2/4 is equivalent to 1/2. I wonder if there's more fractions that are equivalent to 1/2. So right now we have 1/2 is the same as 2/4. I wonder if there's another way I can partition my circle to make it equivalent to 1/2. If we were to do eighths, how many eighths would be equivalent to 1/2? Well, let's see. Count with me. Here we have 1/8, there's 2/8, 3/8, 4/8. So we could say that 1/2 is the same as 2/4, which is also the same as 4/8. I wonder if there's more fractions that are equivalent to 1/2. If we were to partition our circle into thirds, which I know thirds is sometimes really hard to partition, can we show thirds as equivalent to 1/2? No. Thirds would not be equivalent to 1/2. Let's see, what if I partitioned my thirds into sixths? Do you see in a fraction that's equivalent to 1/2? Let's see. Here's 1/6, sorry. Here's 2/6, and here's 3/6. Is that equivalent to 1/2? Yes. So we could say that 3/6, 4/8, and 2/4 are all equivalent to 1/2. On this next one, I want you to think about whether it is true or false. And you're going to prove it on your paper. 4/6 is the same as 2/3. True or false? Complete the work on your page. Your teacher will let you know how to turn it in. Have a great day.